Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle for every penny? Well, um, what if I told you that your mind is the most powerful magnet for riches, but only if trained correctly? Napoleon Hill, the legendary author of Think and Grow Rich, revealed the timeless secret. Wealth is not just earned, it's attracted. And in this video, you'll learn how to condition your mind to draw wealth into your life. Not just financially, but in every dimension of success. Chapter 1. The mind is a magnet. What you focus on expands. Napoleon Hill believed that the mind becomes what it thinks about most. If you constantly focus on lack, struggle, or fear, you attract more of it. But if you focus on abundance, opportunity, and prosperity, your mind begins to pull those things toward you. Open quote. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Close quote. This is not about wishful thinking. It's about programming your inner world to shape your outer reality. Chapter 2. Thoughts are things, the hidden force within you. Hill's most powerful idea is deceptively simple. Thoughts are things. Every fortune ever built began in a mind, as a dream, an idea, a desire. But it only became reality because it was backed by faith, clarity, and action. So the question is, are your thoughts aligned with wealth? Or are they keeping you poor? It all begins with awareness. Chapter 3. Autosuggestion. Speak wealth into your subconscious. You can't control every thought, but you can influence your mind through repetition. Napoleon Hill introduced the principle of autosuggestion, feeding your mind with affirmations until it believes. Here's a simple practice. Write your definite wealth goal. Read it aloud every morning and night. Visualize yourself living it. Feel the emotion of already having it. Over time, your subconscious begins to accept it as truth, and your behavior shifts automatically. This is how millionaires are made, from the inside out. Chapter 4. The power of belief. Remove the mental blocks. The biggest obstacle to wealth is not the economy, it's your beliefs. Many people secretly believe money is evil, or that they don't deserve to be rich, or that success is only for the lucky. These beliefs act like viruses, silently corrupting your financial future. But the truth is, you deserve to be wealthy. You have a right to abundance, and there's more than enough for everyone. Change your beliefs, and you change your life. Chapter 5. Desire Manifestation. Desire alone is not enough. You must mix it with unshakable faith. Faith is not blind, it's the certainty that what you desire is already on its way. Hill said, open quote, faith is the head chemist of the mind. When faith is blended with thought, the subconscious instantly picks up the vibration and transmits it into action. Close quote. Start with a burning desire, fuel it with belief, and your actions will naturally align with wealth. Chapter 6. Environment. Protect your mind from negativity. You become like the people and thoughts you surround yourself with. If you're constantly absorbing fear, poverty talk, and doubt, your mind becomes infected. But when you feed it with positive books, rich conversations, inspiring mentors, your mind transforms. Build a wealth-conscious environment. Watch content that uplifts you. Avoid gossip and complaints. Hang out with those who think big. Your mind is sacred. Guard it. Chapter 7. Create a wealth statement. Your personal blueprint. Hill encouraged everyone to write a definite chief aim, a specific statement that becomes your mental compass. Here's a format to follow. Open quote, I will earn exact amount by date in a peaceful, confident manner by offering valuable service in field or skill. I believe I deserve this wealth, and I am grateful for it as if I already have it. Close quote. Read it daily. Feel it emotionally. Let it guide your thoughts and decisions. Chapter 8. Action is the bridge. Thoughts alone are not enough. Visualizing wealth is powerful, but only if paired with relentless action. You must act in alignment with your goals. Hill said, open quote, do not wait. The time will never be just right. Close quote. Take the first step. Make the call. Launch the idea. Record the video. Do something every day that brings you closer to your vision. Massive wealth doesn't arrive. It's earned by those who show up. Chapter 9. Develop a habit system. The rich don't rely on motivation. They have habits. Train your mind to follow a daily wealth-building routine. Morning affirmation, visualization. Review your wealth statement. Take at least one action step. Learn something new about money. Express gratitude for what you have. Habits build momentum, and momentum creates breakthroughs. Chapter 10. The Mastermind with Abundance Thinkers. Find people who are chasing greatness. Napoleon Hill called this the mastermind principle, a union of minds focused on a shared goal. Wealth loves speed, but it also loves synergy. When two or more minds focus on abundance, their power multiplies. Surround yourself with believers. Create accountability. Share goals. Celebrate wins. Together, you rise faster. Chapter 11. Never stop reinforcing your mindset. This is not a one-time trick, it's a lifestyle. Your mind must be fed daily. Just like your body needs food, your thoughts need nourishment. Rewatch videos like this. Read Think and Grow Rich again and again. Repeat your affirmations with emotion. Act with confidence, even when you're scared. Repetition builds identity, and identity shapes reality. Chapter 12. Gratitude. Gratitude is the emotion of abundance. When you feel grateful for what you have, your mind opens to receive more. Hill said, open quote, the man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Close quote. Start your day with gratitude. End your day with gratitude. Appreciate money, even in small amounts. Gratitude is wealth's best friend. Become wealth conscious. Wealth is not just about money. It's a mindset. It's a belief system. It's a way of being. When you train your mind to think in terms of abundance, service, and growth, wealth follows. You were not born to be broke. You were not created to live in fear. You are a magnet for prosperity when you align your mind with it. So decide today. Become the architect of your future. Train your mind, and your life will never be the same. Call to action, emotional, powerful. If this message touched your heart, if it awakened a new vision of what's possible for your life, then take a moment to like this video to anchor this shift in your soul. Share it with someone you love. They might need it more than you know. And subscribe because your journey to wealth, success, and purpose is only beginning. Your dream life is not a fantasy. It's a decision, a mindset, a commitment, and it starts with you, right here, right now.